this is Ishwati Khanj and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be preparing a full-fledged meal. So today's menu is based on the theme birthday. Starter is honey chili cauliflower. Salad is chickpea salad. Main course is dal makhani with rice and malai kofta with prantha. Side dish is methi aloo and dessert is fruit custard. First we are making methi aloo. Above which we heat the mustard oil, in which we add grated ginger, garlic and chopped onions and then stir it for a while. Then add methi and chopped potato. Then we add salt, turmeric and red chili powder and stir it for a while. We cover it and let it cook on a low flame till it's prepared. Now we start preparing the custard side by side, for which we heat the milk and prepare a mixture of custard and lukewarm milk. Then we add chopped elaichi and stir it. Then we slowly add the custard mixture and stir it again. Then we let it boil and thicken on a low flame. Then we move on to the tadka for dal makhani. For this, we take a spoon of ghee and heat it. Then add a little hing. Then we add chopped ginger and garlic and stir it. And soon after we add chopped onions to it and cook it till it turns brown. We add the tomato puree to it and stir it for a while. Then we add salt, turmeric, degi mirch powder and dhania powder and mix it well and let it cook till prepared. We add this tadka in the boiled dal and mix it, and then we let the dal cook on low flame till prepared. Now we make the curry for malai kofta, for which we take 2 spoons of butter and heat it. When properly melted, we add almonds and cashew nuts to it and cook them till they turn brown. We add ginger, garlic, green chilies and onions to it and heat them till they become soft. Then we add the tomatoes and cook them till the whole mixture becomes soft. When the whole mixture becomes soft, we let it cool and then grind the mixture and make a puree out of it and keep it aside for future use. Now our methi aloo is fully prepared. Now for the koftas, we grate potatoes and paneer together and add salt, red chili powder, 2 spoons of all-purpose flour and a pinch of zira powder to it and mix it well. Then we make balls of the mixture with light hands and fry it and keep it aside. Now again for the curry of the malai kofta, we take a little oil in a pan and add garam masala, dhania powder, degi mirch powder, turmeric powder and jeera powder to it. Then we mix all the masalas together and heat them properly. And now we add the grinded puree that we made earlier and mix it well and heat it till it leaves a little oil. And at last we add a little salt to it and let it heat till prepared. Moving on to the rice, we take a spoonful of ghee and heat it properly and then add a little zira and salt to it and heat it well, and then add the soaked rice along with the water and let it be steamed in a closed vessel till prepared. Now our dal makhani is ready to be served. And our curry and kofta for the malai kofta are prepared as well. For the chickpea salad, we add cucumbers, onions and tomatoes to the chickpea and add salt, black pepper and chaat masala to it and give it a good stir and then squeeze a lemon to it. Now the rice is fully prepared. My mother helped me fry the cauliflower for honey chili cauliflower. For honey chili cauliflower, we take some oil and heat it. Then we add chopped ginger and garlic to it and heat them as well. When they turn a little brown, we add 2 spoons of tomato ketchup and 2 spoons of chili sauce. Then we stir it and mix the sauce evenly. Then we add half a spoon of vinegar and half a spoon of soya sauce to it and mix them well. Then we add a spoonful of honey and mix it and then add the fried cauliflower in it and mix it well and let it cook till prepared. Moving on to the dessert, first we put Britannia cake at the bottom of the bowl, then we put the earlier prepared custard on top of it. Layer of tinned fruits is to be made with pomegranate. Again put a layer of custard and top it up with a layer of dry fruits. Vitamins, minerals, fats and carbohydrates are present in custard. Proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and fiber is present in the salad. Fats, carbohydrates, fiber, protein and sodium is present in honey chili cauliflower. Fats, fibers, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals are present in malai kofta. Proteins, fiber, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals are present in dal makhani. Fiber, protein, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals are present in methi aloo. Carbohydrates, protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals are present in rice. Carbohydrates, fibers and minerals are present in roti. Therefore, this meal is a balanced meal and rich in all nutrients. Thank you.